Ciao, buonasera. What we're doing tonight, okay, it's a vegetarian dish, which is good for everybody, vegetarian, vegan, anyone, no problem. Very, very fresh, simple ingredients. This is what I found in the fridge. 1.5 peppers, 1 courgette, 2 potatoes, 2 bits of broccoli, some garlic, onions, aubergine, 1 carrot, and some cherry tomatoes. This again, same thing. Big chunks like that. Put everything in the pan. This is a very traditional Mediterranean dish, and believe me when I say healthy, it is healthy, no jokes. Okay, don't buy anything ready-made because it's not the same thing. Cherry tomatoes in the pan, just like that. Now we're going to get some garlic. Don't be afraid with the garlic, because garlic is good for a lot of stuff, okay? For your health and for your breath as well. Big chunks again, put them in the pan. Okay, don't be afraid. If you like garlic, put some more. I would say for this one, probably four cloves, large ones. You can crush like that if you take the skin quickly. Okay, some olive oil, black pepper, parsley, fresh parsley. There you go. As I said, you don't need to be precise, just big chunks. Don't worry about it. Every dish is different. Parsley and basil, loads of basil, and a few. That's what I had anyway. So, but 2-3 bay leaves inside there, and there we go. Okay, a little bit of oregano, some oregano, sprinkle on the top. And now what we do, we're just going to put this one on the gas and we start cooking. Okay, now the pan is on the cooker. Put some salt. One thing you have to remember with salt, never put too much. The reason why, if you put too much and it's salty, that's it, you had it. But if the salt is not enough, once you put that on your plate, then you can add some more. Okay? So you're safe. So we're going to get the pan to get nice and hot, obviously. And once we start to get this, you mix everything. Look at the beautiful colors. Look at that. Eh? Only to watch and see that, you feel hungry already. You can also put some rosemary. Okay? And the good things about this dish, it's versatile. If you want to put some chicken, you can put some chicken.
Yeah, or different vegetables.
If you want, you put anything you want.
Yeah.
What I did today, I went in the fridge, I had these bits, and you use it. And you make a meal. This is a meal for 2 people, at least, if it's not 3. Yeah. Now, this is done. For now, I'm going to present this on the plate. Okay, dish is ready. We're going to put this on the plate here. Don't worry if you spill something. It's not a crime. It's not a problem. Don't worry about it. I'm not going to put the whole thing because it's quite a lot here, okay? So this is a portion for 3.